Hello there, and thank you very much for joining us in this new Azure Portal how-to video. Today, we'll learn how to troubleshoot issues with your virtual machine using the tools available in the portal. And for that, we have Summer Gu, who is going to teach us how to do that. So thank you very much for joining us, Summer.
Thanks for having me, Leon. I'm super excited to show you how you can troubleshoot your virtual machine issues using the new diagnose and solve experience. Imagine now you have a virtual machine that you cannot RDP into. What can you do? You can either search for information online, or you can submit a support request with Microsoft support and get help from there. But now the fastest and easiest way to do it is actually to use our new diagnose and solve problems page that you can access right from your resource page on Portal. And you can start from there and troubleshoot your virtual machine issues within clicks. Now as we enter the diagnose and solve experience, you can see a bunch of common problems tiles. So those are common problems that we identified together with Azure Compute product teams, Microsoft support teams, and also our dev teams. So that include a bunch of different kinds of virtual machine issues, such as deployment, connectivity, and also performance management, all kinds of different problems.
Oh, this is super cool. So basically, what we are doing here is I was in a VM page. For that VM, you clicked on Diagnose and Solve Problems, and you're offering me all this content scoped to that VM.
Yeah, exactly.
Super cool.
Yeah, and also our dev teams have been continuously working on improving the troubleshooters and also the content so that we can provide the best experiences for our customers.
Oh, that's nice. So basically, another important thing that you just said is that the content that is displayed there are some of the most common issues based on data from customers, engineering, content, etc., etc. So it's basically like a digested set of problems that are representative of what customers go through, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's super cool.
So let's go back to our connectivity scenario. We click on Can't Connect to VM because we cannot connect via RDP, and we select Cannot RDP here. So it automatically kicks off the troubleshooter, and it takes less than a minute to run on your virtual machine that tells you more information about possible reasons that you might not be able to connect your VM. For instance, you might not have your firewall selected correct, you might not have your network security rules set correctly. Oh, it just finished running.
It was seconds.
Yeah, exactly.
That's nice. So what happened here? What happened?
So yeah, let's see. The Windows filled with the boot error, so it looks like we're having a boot error here with the error code here, and it shows you more information here, and it also gives you recommended steps down below that you can follow step by step to troubleshoot your VM issues within clicks.
So basically what happened is that you ran a bunch of tests and a bunch of diagnostics in my virtual machine from the portal.
Yep.
And then once that's done, you're coming back with a set of like recommendations, with data and recommendations that I can follow to solve my problem.
Yeah, basically you can follow those recommendation steps step by step, and it's super easy and handy. And if you don't want to wait for the automated troubleshooter to run, an alternative is to use our manual troubleshooting steps here. We have a list of documentations that we update regularly that shows you more information on how you can troubleshoot your RDP issues. For instance, the one here. With the boot error, you can go here, boot errors, boot diagnostics. You can see more information about why you're having this boot error and also how you can go ahead and solve that issue.
But the nice thing is I don't have to. Basically, the automatic troubleshooter is digesting all that information for me. If I don't want to wait, or if for whatever reason I want to go through the docs, I can do that. And you're putting all those docs front and center, so I don't need to search them on the web, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's nice.
And we can go back to the solutions section here. It says that if you find that you cannot connect to your VM in the future, you can always view a screenshot of your VM using the boot diagnostics. How can we access the boot diagnostics then?
How can we?
Yeah, we can also have that from our diagnose and solve problems here. So let's go back to the home page, and you can go from here, the troubleshooting tools. Among there, we have a list of tools that we also update regularly based on our dev engineering work. And we have this boot diagnostics here. We can enter. See, we have the exact same error code here.
Oh, that's nice. And that's a screenshot from the VM directly in the portal.
Exactly. You can always go to this documentation and click on the error code.
Which is the same that we saw before, right?
Yep, exactly. And Yeah, you see all the steps, even more detailed with images and screenshots. You can always follow those steps to troubleshoot your connectivity issue. Yeah.
That's very nice. So basically what we saw is that I'm on a virtual machine.
Mm-hmm.
I can use the diagnose and solve problems tools to self-help myself,
Yep.
basically. And I have two paths that I can go. One is that I can use a diagnostic tool that is going to tell me what's going on and give me a set of steps. But if I don't want to wait, I want to do this on my own, you offer me all the links of the relevant stuff that I can go and learn myself.
Yep, exactly.
And once I know what to do, you offer all the tools right there. So a few clicks and I can see screenshots from the VM, serial console, and whatnot.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is really good. Thank you very much for showing us that.
Yeah, thanks.
And thanks every one of you for watching. Please leave us a comment in the comment section, follow us on Twitter, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.